This goes out to all them hard-working Americans out there. We got you back, baby.
How you doing? Long time no see.
Back, baby. Let's kick this thing, boys. Plus overtime, I ought to be proud of this check of mine. I open it up and I'd be damn. I worked half the week for Uncle Sam. He's up there having him a spending spree, a big old party and it's all on me. But he got his, now it's my turn to spend what's left of the money I earn. Light it up and let it burn.
Work hard, play harder, get loud, go farther than any country boys ever gone before. I cut loose, I go crazy, I'll see you on Monday maybe, when I'm down to my last dollar. Work hard, play harder.
When the weekend's over, it's off I go, back to the bottom of a deep dark hole, scratching my way up to the light, neon shining on a Friday night. I make my living and I live my life.